Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today guys I will make a challenge with my whitey friend. Mega love shout out the Timbunot Aliyah and Mutas. I'm sorry for not my beauty. Oh my god. Thank you so much sis Aliyah for challenge me to eat binangkal. I got a lot of binangkal yesterday. Thank you so much sis Aliyah. Thank you so much, and I will start to eat. I will show the binangkal guys. Here we go. This is my bread. I got 10 pieces of binangkal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Oh my god, it's early morning. I do mukbang. Thank you so much sis Aliyah. Mega love shout out to Jane. Nasa likod ko guys. Bagong ligo. Sana all fresh. Oh. And I will do my mukbang. Oh, it's a look at. Thank you so much sis Aliyah. Mega love shout out to Aliyah from Jordan. Jordan. I don't have makeup. Yummy. This is my favorite binangkal. Mm. I have coffee guys. Coffee. Because it's very early. It's 9:40 here in the Philippines. 9:40. This is my second binangkal. Yummy coffee. Coffee is life. I'm full. This is the third Hard Binangkal. Very hard. I'm full na guys. I eat only 3 binangkal. And thank you so much sis Aliyah Anutas channel. Aliyah Anutas. The Team Bunot. Thank you so much sis Aliyah and mega love shout out to all Team Bunot. Aliyah Anutas channel. Mega love shout out. Bismet and Vegas. Bonso Cute D. Ma'am Shidang. Nika Ramos, Angel, Jin Piang, Joy Alego, Faye Channel, Desperate Issue, sino pa? Sa lahat ng Team Bunot, mega love shout out. Miyaki, mega love shout out Miyaki. And Alan Soko, and who else? I don't know. And thank you so much for watching guys. See you on my next vlog. God bless. Thank you. And mega love shout out. Sisi Aliyah. Thank you so much. Bye. See you on my next vlog. God bless. Bye bye.